Whoa, 7x on a Monster Mash. Let's go. How you guys doing? How's life? How are things? Good job, good job. Okay, tough crowd today. Man, those people are not talkative. Hopefully that'll loosen you up. We got that Monster Mash. First try, baby. 7x.
It's the Monster Mash.
Woo-wee.
He did the Monster Mash.
He did the Monster Mash. Ladies and gentlemen, before we get things started, let's add that 7x multiplier. Here we go. Hey. All right, let's see. Oh, global multi for the legs, 21 for the body. And for the head, it's going to be oh, another global multiplier. So we're multiplying this 2 times. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh! 525x multiplier. Here's the monster. Baba Power. 1,849 winners. Woo, woo, woo. Top winner going to be Hola. ¿Cómo estás with an 18,000? What an entrance, baby. That's